Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan hima.
Dah kispangut kidekot joki arseng berkentup ya ke RBYF bar KSU hakasisa jan klami benlet cakatan rat nongtung haribhoi. Kidekot joki ni kiseng kila temu benlet cakasnong omat man persyajer halor ke jikena baka RB Students Association kelawan man penibor hakasnong sabuda hakini kikendak sengi beladab. Nakaliang kipulit Asam, kibeliau jengtip halor ke jengwan her, joki spangut kidekat jok RBYF bar KSU, kila pakhang lentino mariapoi hakasnong jatalong. Hangni kelami ke jenganya ke bajur, hapdeng kinong ilam jok kini ki arseng, bar kihe pulit ke Asam, patang kumbakat tukat 2 minit, lawan poi pat saki pulit ke Meghalaya, ke benang pensingan cucu, ya kidekat jok kini ki arseng. Nakaliang kipulit ke Jelaru, kilai keren berkibor pulit ke Asam, bakin sya iki dekat joki arseng, bakin let kimi ialah ki paradok parasnam, hakasnong umat. Hendrai kipulit Asam kila pen teriang. Hadir ke jingannya ke bejur, nakaliang kibor pulit ke Asam, kila hap pendam no, dak bailat, iki katukat ningut, kina ilam berdekat joki nikaseng, bakin let cadu kasnong umat.
Oi, hei, macam mana? Ada sak main tak? Oh, baik.
Nhau chứ. Nhà bà.
Don't stop our vehicle, sir. We don't stop. No, brother, no. And I conveyed my message. You don't do anything. Live peacefully. If somebody do something, then I shall take action against him. There is no consideration of Assam or Meghalaya.
Yeah. Let them go. Cannot keep up. But we wait on it.
Therefore we are here. Therefore we are here. Therefore we are here. You cannot say like this. We police are here only to see all these things. It is not about Assam. It is not about Meghalaya. It is about maintaining peace. In our place. There your police officer also with me. We are patrolling everything. Nobody can do anything here. I will not allow anything. Simply he may be from Meghalaya, he may be from Assam. I will not allow anybody. Clear cut word I conveyed yesterday to KSA that nothing can be done here. I will not allow you. And yesterday I talked with your police officers also that nobody should be allowed in the disputed area. And KSA since yesterday they have not come out. Because I have wanted not to come. Because it is a matter of life and property of people. If something happens, you know what happens in a border. These villagers, they will suffer. Those villagers will suffer. Not the people from the other side. Not the people from that side. Not the people from that side. It is the people who are living in the border. They will suffer a lot. And we cannot compromise with the life and property of these villagers. He may be Khasi, he may be Karbi, he may be Gurkha. The matter, the issue is on the table on the top level. On the CM level, it is there and the discussion is going on. We cannot say anything here. What we can do is to maintain peace in the ground. And please do cooperate with us. We are not working for Assam or Meghalaya. Here, Meghalaya police is also with me. Your DSP is also coming. Your SI is here with us. We are patrolling jointly since yesterday. Nobody is allowed. No, please don't rule like this.
This time, this is not a good, not in good situation.
Please think about the life and property of the people. If something happens, what will happen? What will happen? See, it is not time that we should do all this. The discussion is there. Decision will be taken there. And both sides will have to follow the very decision of our CMs, of our states. It's not it. It is not a matter of Meghalaya. It is not a matter of Assam. It is a matter of maintaining peace and tranquility.
Same thing will happen tomorrow also. Again KSA will
I
come.
come, all these
People
things
who
will-
will suffer. Your
And
public will
see,
suffer
I'm sitting here.
Actually, public will
I'm
suffer
sitting
here.
here,
Sir,
just
since
leaving
from
all
2
this
days
job,
before.
official job. I'm sitting here.
Since from 2 days.
Huh? No network, nothing else. Only to save the life of the people and property of the people. Please, you are the future of this state. You are to understand these things.
Just to settle the matter, we have to settle the matter, whatever it may be. For
You are future of the Meghalaya, Meghalaya. They are the future of Assam. If you don't think about these people, about these villagers, who will tell you?
these days no need. Because
No,
situation is not in good condition.
No, brother, no,
Listen
no,
one
please.
thing. I already told
We
you.
are not
This
working
road
for
is just
anything.
passed through the Umlapere and all. People will
We are
notice.
not-
Again, they will convey message. Not in a good
Please.
message. They will think
Understand
negatively. They will create negative message. No,
Please.
that's the problem. Is the clear tomorrow.
I just
We are
Let
working for
somebody
whom?
else.
We are working for
From
both
other
Meghalaya and
For-
Assam. It doesn't mean that we are working for Assam. We are the person for provide
I slept them.
security. No,
Slept them.
it doesn't
My
mean that
house,
we are
I
taking the
see here.
for the land of Assam.
I was going to
Meghalaya.
register a case against him. Only for your word.
Okay, let them go only the leaders. Maybe
No, brother, no.
These days,
No,
no.
please, no, please don't.
These days, no.
Please, they will also do the same.
Same.
They will also do the same. I have told them not to do all these
unnecessary
things. And
things.
therefore they are not coming.
Actually, simply
Are
because
that I again and again repeat, it is in the table of CS. Decision shall be taken there. And being a police officer, I'll have to follow the decision of our chief minister. It's not it. If this area goes to Meghalaya, I will have to follow it. If it doesn't go to Meghalaya, then I will have to look after this area. It's not it.
Yeah,
It is not a matter of see Meghalaya, Assam, all this. I don't know anything. I know only security.
there is one sacred place there. He'll be visiting that.
we look after that.
Please,
don't worry.
please,
You
don't
just
go for all these things. See,
We won't
if-
go all.
Arey, see. If now, if
allow
the- see,
them.
I see. If
Committee, he will survey like that. That issues will talk and will maintain peace and status. That's all.
yes, that is it. Whatever is to come, it is to come from top. What we can do here, we have to maintain this. Brother, don't destroy it. Definitely, this is what. Therefore, I'm not allowing. No, I never. When we were not here, when I was not here, nobody was here. Now I come. I don't. For 2 days I am here and nobody has come. And I would not allow anybody. Anywhere, not only here, but also in other side also I don't allow. In my side, in Sabuda area, from Ulupunchi to Setri. Please understand me. Why? Why I am saying? Tell me why I am saying. For my sake? Huh? For my interest? No. Please, I am not talking about. No, I am not. It is. See. Okay.
Without any contradiction, without any discussion. No more discussion. No more discussion. Ma? Okay? Let's go. Hi. They will not create any kind of nuisance. So better, I can assure from my side, and you can assure.
See, I cannot assume. I cannot assume when such large number of people here, large number of people come. I
There
cannot
also
assume.
large number of people are there.
Huh? If they come, would you assume?
No.
See, it is not a way. Brothers,
We
I
do
tell you,
better. We'll do one thing,
Please.
sir.
Please understand. It is a time that we should understand. We should consider the things. Tension is going on, no? It is time we should not. I am not allowing anybody. I'm not allowing anybody.
Sir, one minute, sir. 1 minute. We'll do one thing. First, hold a discussion with your man. I'll discuss with my man. I'll attend them. You also attend.
My man is not
And
coming with them. If they get information, they will come.
No, just listen. Sir.
I am not talking about my man or his man. I am talking about the peace. Everybody is my
Yes,
man.
peace should
They are
be
also
prevailed.
my men.
Yeah, peace should be prevailed. Peace,
But
yeah.
who is not my man?
Everyone is our
See.
man. Yeah.
Just uttered a word against Hasi and I slapped him like anything. Your police was with me. Because I don't allow anybody to do all this.
Yeah.
It is not about Meghalaya, it is not about Assam. It is about peace and tranquility, which is duty of maintaining of which is duty of me and as citizen of India, everybody of you got that responsibility.
Okay.
Yes, okay, let them go.
Then we'll just good like suppose KSA one member from your
No,
option one
no,
member.
KSA is not here at all. I don't allow them to come.
Okay.
See, since yesterday, they are not coming because I am here. I told them not to come.
Okay, but I'll take my people back, no problem. But at least we should see, no, sir, because it is very important.
why
It
should
is
We already
very important.
settled
It is
the
very
matter.
important.
We already
Because
settled the matter.
it is very important to make them understand.
We already convinced with them, but in between you came and just again you told that everyone will go there. Already convinced
It's
with
okay,
them.
okay, I could understand, okay.
We already convinced.
Yeah, okay.
I will not spare anybody if he speaks against the Khasis. Yesterday also, I called a man like anything. I told him, next time I hear, you will be sent to jail. So I never allow anybody. It is a matter of peace. It is a matter of peace.
Now, actually, what I heard yesterday.
Yes, it is about Gaumra. It is not that part.
Yeah.
They are just going to Ummah. Oh, it is not anything. So if like villagers, you see, we are having peace meeting now, only for this, because if Kansong is here. So to
You are going through this road, no? If you are going through this road means everyone will notice it, right? People of Umlaper or some other, they will notice it, no? And then regarding the land dispute, they already take meeting, no? There last 2 days before. So it's better by going there, by taking this road. It may take some incident. There is a probability.
Nothing will be happen here.
I know that. But the thing is that you cannot say, no? One cannot say that. One cannot say that what kind of incidents may, because incidents it is, but unfortunately it happens, no? So what do you say? I think already DSP sir came, right? DSP traffic from Meghalaya.
We don't know.
Listen, I think yesterday we already have a discussion here at Habang. Our from Meghalaya.
Nakalengjong ka KSU bat ngi RBF ngili ilang ba ka social media ka jingwan jok ni KSA ban wan ban dakhole ka jaga hangdo hari po sabuda hang to hagit to baki ong go back Meghalaya, go back official Meghalaya. Te nakalengjong ngi ka KSU bat RBF ngila pan lang shan hi bat mentakas ngila poy hang ni po spot hang ni ndai ondala poy hang ni pal hang jingwan ko jingi isyak hang na para ki bor ka ain badi ki pulit jong ka Asam te ngilaya keren bat ki ngilaya request ki ngila kapat ki basya bangin lej hadong teh po umat namar bagadang day ka jaka ka bahap apo ka Meghalaya ndai hadin ka jingi keren ka jingi tainia ka bas slam bat ka ba scam ka ba nagaleng jong ki police ko bor jong ka Asam ki khamsa ay ngiban lej te ki wan so ki pulit na kayang jong ka Meghalaya te hangto ngilaya bania keren lang te hadin pat ondalami ka jingi keren ba so basya ingi tang katlok aningot ki leader bang niyo ban kejar hang te po ketika jaka po umat baka don ka jaka hang tu ban prisya baka dei ka Meghalaya baka don hang tu ka lumjing tap jong khat atli kisnong arli kikur naru kikur stand bat kikur pale bat kumta terter tingilawan yu ak jarang te nagaleng jongi kinongilam jong ka RBF bat KSU ngilap hang tu baka dei sisya kumta baka jaka rang hap po ka Meghalaya te kapapasno si ingi papasno longo ingi pat balay ka KSA pat kawan hadu po sabuda banon ong ingi go back Meghalaya, go back official Meghalaya te ngi hangani kapor daka jing pensisya ya lajong ilawan yu kijang te bada ka jugo por ikwa ban ong laniban ay ka jing pensaya hangani kapor lang baki press ki media kibay ilan lumba kani ka video ba khamtam ya ki KSA ba kimde ban sedang sunanis khamat ban ong kumta na marbalay ngi hap yu boro markel yang baling yung kumta na marbangi ngi kamde bangi ba sedang nengkong ka KSA te hindre ngi pat ngi burom na marbalay ngi perkhat ba ki karbi kamde ba kidon hang ni po sabuda lani hane po umbang o hane po ummat Di kidon ru keleng jaka jong kene ka thanya dikasih jongi. Kam tam hang teh po nong po ngi. Ndre ngipat ngidang buram meki. Te ka jimburam jongi ngi ko ban kintiu ki ko ban request ki ba kimdei ban sedang pat lang ni syahmat. Katu kila sedang ngako baki sange no. Ndila na kisdang biang kemut dangiwan hakasin ka bar klem jingi akal ngiwan ba daga bor ka jongi. Te hangani ka por ngi ko ban oi ki lada kisdang ngin penkut mangi. Te nakaleng jong kaseng jongi ka RBF te ngi ay ki ba kimdei su basdang ni syahmat bat baki ru ban ya kimdei ru ban pendik ya ki beru jongi benah po umat. Namar balai lada ki pendik mingiru ngin sa pendik lang ya ki wepat benah ki area ki ba ngingi don. Te kata nakaleng jong ka RBF i pensay sa ki baro bat hakani ka sngiru kadi ka sngi ka pangiwan da ka jinga karan ka bajay-jay. Te lada kim sange kemut hadin ngin sawan pat da ka we kelenti ka bangimla ban bakli pat. Te kabaka do kalong jing pensay nakaleng jongi bro adli kiseng ka KSU bat ka RBF ba hoy ngi iba ka jing kunturput umdi tangane po sa buda lani hane po umman kadiru sa po yongkuli ndri balay ba nakaleng jong ka KSU bat ka RBF ni kampoy sa jaka namar bangi iba labon ki way pat kiseng balang ki bangi suban ay kublay ki balawan yu kajat sa tay bat ban ay mensim ki snong ki thaw ki brew sa tay bangi iru lang ba ki lat pat kubor ba ki MLA ki MDC ki per ki ben ka parti ba per ki lawan yu kajat sa tay dita ka daw nakaleng jong ka RBF at KSU ngi kamlet sa tay tingi iba hang niya po umat pat pada po sa buda hadu man ta nakaleng jong ki MLA jong ki MDC lan ki brew jong sarkar ki khemo ni kajat ang nel ban kli ban tokit lan ban wan yu hang ni spot ke dina kata ka daw bangi arli kiseng ngilay murjumut ka way bangin wan yu kajat hidala de hang ne bangin syam ya ka ay kajik sisya
ki jingja kabah kini isngi nagliam jongka karbi student asion kilawan hadu ong te sobra bankam bakini ke area ka hap apo jongka karbi long ni sunguthu ba menta kidon arliang sarkar ki balai penbe yo put sam ndre ke ai ke bangi sunguthu syai bangi tip syai bakini ke jaka hang ni kadi ke jaka jong kari khasi jungi ila ban pen si syai kata dan nilai hang te hamat udon ki bu mau chiing jongka khat artli ki kur ki bahap apo nungtung kini ka pen sisya long ba ki khana pateng bat ka historical ka ba kani ka jaka kadi ka jaka ka bahap apo gari ka jungi bat sa ka weiro nagliang jungi khasi student yon ni da maham tenge khamta me KSA ba kambet banwan ban pen kulmar snong hani apo dispute area ane apo ki jaka jungi kumbai la keren seprang banaliang jungi la da ki sedang ngiru nyimbang se ban pen pai kliang da bakam senu persya iki bat ni kwa banong ni mta kasngi ni la shulung jajai no bat nagliang jungi klem le kanu ban pen klumar dan ni klem wan hang ni ban pen thau kanu jing klumar ngi wan hang ni ban pen sisya ba mingi nagliang jung keseng ni don rangkat bat gi nong song snong jong ki snong ki bahap hapo jong ni ki border area khat pratli ki snong ki bahap hapo jongga nongtung sur jongga right nongtung bat ikine kat pratli ki snong leang ni keseng yen don rangkat bat ki ni trelang bat ki rang ba snong bat ni le ro ban pha ka khubor sa ka sarkar ban penbej no yo put usam bat bakine ki jaka khat pratli ki snong kidai banwan sepo ga jila Meghalaya jungi lemda punta nyenomla ban nailat pada kumwei pat kita jing penbej ni dawa na ka sarkar bakine khat pratli ki snong kidai banwan biang sepo jong ga jila Meghalaya ni mene nagliang jong ki pelit asam kimsya ingi baniat cetai henry hadin gajing ya penbej hadin gajing ya keren nagliang jong ki bor pelit asam ki hab ban pendam bat kungu ya ke bangi ngong bat ndon bala ban khang ya ki kun samla jong gari bakin pej mene baniat men lekat bamon hapok gari lejong nila baniat mdei baniat tang katu kanengun dangila apoi cetai ngilungo baki bun ki dukat jungiru ki bala don lepas cetai ni kene ka ni ai ka jing khublei ya ki dukhat ki bala lang ya chakmat mene ni sabat tangkat no tili kali hang ni ndri bun ru ki bangla poi chakmat te bat kene long khubor ru sha baro kitu ki briu ki ba persang ban wanra ya ka jing bom ya stu jumot dane kitu ki briu ki ba persang ban pen kulmar jumot ya ki nong susunong jungi dah ka ba ki kam ba kene ki area ane kene ki jaka ka hap apo asam nila supu syai bagane ke jaka kade hap apo gari ke jungi bat ni kerman skam ba gajing penbet jong arliang sarkar hapdeng jong ki chief minister jong Meghalaya bat jong ka jong asam bangila ban penbet ba kene ki jaka kan poi biang sepo ke jala jungi tang kita tin kumbiat kublai sibun mat ceprang wa ruban pensya yang ni ba kene ke area kamde ke blok tu kene ke area ke de garat nungtung mundon blok tu ni kene de garat nungtung ba ni criminal scam ba kene garat nungtung kan pois po Meghalaya nimla bandong ba kene ke blok tu ke desa sajengai ba nang ni kene ke de ke rat nungtung ke badon la ke rukom le nyam le rukom bat hadu mentaro sisin sisnem kidang le nyam napo jung rat nungtung teng ni terparu ya ke sarkar Meghalaya bahkan itu ya kini karya kini ki area ki jakah ni kum rat nungtung om syuk kum kata ga blok tu